Okay, welcome back to NCERT 11th class Financial Accounting 1 class. In the previous class, we have seen problems up to number 8 in bank reconciliation statement, that is the 5th chapter. Okay, today we will do the next problem, that is 9th problem. Okay, now you see the passbook of Mr. Mohit current account showed a credit balance of 20,000 on dated 31st December 2016. Prepare a bank reconciliation statement with the following information. Okay, now you see, just like yesterday, I will do. Just wait. Are you able to see this document? This document, is it visible to you?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Okay, right. So here, according to this problem, cash book balance is given or passbook balance is given? The passbook of account, passbook balance is given. So we have to find
Yes.
balance. Okay. Working notes I will prepare that. Main problem solution you can do, no? PB
Yes, sir.
and PB. But before that, I mentioned in the previous classes what is current account, what is savings account. In this problem, you have two accounts. One is current account, here savings account came. I told the difference between the two. No, current account, in current account they will not pay any interest actually. Savings account, some minimum interest will be there. Interest will be paid by the banker. On current account, any number of times you can withdraw amount. Any number of times you can deposit amount. But in savings account, there will be certain restrictions. Did you understand?
Yes, sir, understood.
Huh? Now you see. A check of 400 drawn on his savings account has been shown on current account. So now what we want to, are you finding out savings account balance or current account balance? Which one you are finding out? You check it first. You read the problem and you tell me which one we want to find out. Current account balance we are finding or savings account balance we are finding?
Savings account.
Oh, you see the heading. See the heading. What is there in the heading? Mohit current account showed a credit balance of 20,000. Okay, current account cash book balance we want. The current account passbook balance is showing a credit balance of 20,000. We want current accounts cash book balance we have to find out. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Heading you see current account showed a credit balance of 20,000. So the 20,000
Yes.
you have to write as current account passbook balance as on 31st December 2016. Likewise, you have to start. Okay, did you
Yes.
understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you see. So we want cash book balance. Passbook balance is available with us. We want cash book balance. Now you see a check of 400 drawn on his savings account has been shown on current account. You see, you have issued a check. But what the banker has done, you have issued a check regarding that a check relates to savings account. You are saying savings account. But what the banker has done, the banker has made a mistake here. You see, he has shown it in the current account. Okay.
Okay.
So we are related to current account only, no? Current account balance only we are going to find out. See, in passbook they have mistakenly given 400 rupees to the customer to whom we have issued a check. So here current account passbook balance will be less, whereas here that 400 balance will be more in our savings account. Did you understand?
Yes, sir. Understood.
We have issued a check on our savings account, but the banker has mistakenly given our money from our current account. So here current account balance will be less in passbook, whereas it will be more in our cash. Okay. Next, second one. He issued two checks of 300 and 500 on December 25. Okay, 300 and 500 both. But only the first check was presented for payment. Only 300 was presented for payment. Remaining 500 is not presented. So the difference will be in 500. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So you issued check means immediately here minus will be there. Here automatically plus will come.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next one. Now next is one check issued by Mr. Mohit of 500 rupees on December 25th, but it was not presented for payment, whereas it was recorded twice in the cash book. You see, twice in the cash book. It was not presented for payment. He issued check to a person worth 500 rupees. Okay, when you issue check means you will record minus. But what happened? You have recorded twice in the cash book. 2 times we have deducted, not 1 time. 2 minuses for the single transaction. See, effect will be for how many rupees then? For 1000 rupees difference will come.
Yes, sir. 1000.
Okay, you have issued only 500 rupees for the check, but this 2 times you entered twice. So 1000 rupees difference will come.
Okay.
Okay, so what you are going to do? 400 you are going to add, and 2 minuses are there. One minus is for 500 and another minus is for 1000 rupees.
1000. Yes.
Okay, you solve it, it will come. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now you do it. Now you tell me the answer whether this is the 10th problem. In the previous classes I mentioned about overdraft. Overdraft means the banker will permit the customer to withdraw more money than what he or she has in his or her account. If that is the case, how to do? We will solve it. That overdraft balance is also known as unfavorable balance. Okay. So how to do? I will tell. Just the process will be reversed. What do you mean by reversed? I will tell. No issue. Balance as per you have to mention overdraft balance. You have to mention. Okay. In the previous problems you mentioned only balance. Now you have to mention either unfavorable balance or overdraft balance. Okay. Overdraft balance
Yes.
as per cash book. What is the amount? 8,000. Okay. Now you see, as you all know, some amount should be added some amount should be deducted. Okay. Now you see, just we have to reverse the process. What does it mean? I will explain you. PB, PB, who are here. Okay. Now you see, Rakesh had an overdraft as showed by his cash book. So cash book balance we have.
Yes, sir.
What we have to do? Passbook balance we have to find out.
Fine.
In the previous problems up to 9th problem, what we have done? If cash book balance is there, if we have to find out passbook balance, we have used to tick this side. But now the scene you just reverse, means you tick this side only. If this side plus is there, means you add. If this side minus comes, means you deduct. That's all. As simple as that. Did you understand? If overdraft balance is there, if cash book balance is there, means you cash book side only you tick. If plus comes this side, you add. Minus comes, you deduct. That's all. So while reading the problem itself, you should be careful whether it is favorable balance or overdraft balance.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Otherwise, your problem entire solution will be wrong.
Okay, sir.
Now you see first one. Checks amounting to 2,000 had been paid by him, but were not collected by the bank. See, in the previous problem I mentioned, checks paid means they are deposited in a bank. Please remember, checks issued means minus.
Minus, yes.
Okay, checks had been paid means somebody has given us check. We have deposited in a bank. So here plus will be there, here minus will be there. So 2,000 rupees you have to add. This side plus is there, no? So you are going to add.
Yes, sir.
Next one. He issued checks. Yes, issued means minus.
Minus.
Checks paid is different, issued is different. In the previous class, I mentioned the difference. Okay.
Yes,
This
sir.
side plus is there. Minus means you are going to minus this 800 rupees. 800 rupees will be deducted. Then there was a debit in his passbook of 60 rupees for interest. So banker has debited interest. Debit, there was a debit in his passbook. Minus means here plus. Plus means that 60 rupees you have to add. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next. And 100 rupees for bank charges. For bank charges also he has deducted 100 rupees. Minus here, plus here. This side plus no, so that 100 rupees also you have to add. Prepare DRS, comparing both the balance. Okay, so 2000 plus 160, 2000, 160. Did you understand? It will be 10,160. From 10,160, you deduct this 800. It will be 9,360. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
9,360 will come. Like that you have to do. Just simple. Ticking, you have to do it in the opposite direction. That's all.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
If it is overdraft balance means the same side cash book balance is given means cash book side only you tick. That's all. But at the end you will write overdraft balance as per passbook. You will write. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is the difference. Okay. Note down the solution.
Completed, sir.
Completed. 11th problem, prepare a bank reconciliation statement. Okay. Overdraft shown as per cash book. Okay, again you have to find out as per passbook is. Okay, bank charges for the above period also debited in the passbook. Means passbook side it will be minus, cash book side it will be plus. So CB, we have to find out CB side, no? It is overdraft balance. That is, it is this side only you are going to take. Plus means you have to add this 100 rupees. Interest on overdraft for 6 months ending December debited in the passbook. Means in the passbook, debited means minus. This side
Minus.
plus. This side plus means you have to add. Checks issued but not encashed prior. Checks issued means here immediately minus. Here plus. Minus, that is why you are going to minus. Okay. Interest on investment collected by the bank and credited in the passbook. So interest is credited in the passbook plus. Credit means passbook credit means plus. This side minus. Minus so is there, so you have to deduct this amount. Checks paid into bank but not cleared. Paid checks paid means plus in cash book. Here it is minus, not cleared. Means the amount is not received by the banker. That's all. Can you do it? This is the working notes. This is the working notes.
Yes, sir.
8th problem and 11th problem you do. Yesterday's 8th problem that is pending and 11th problem also you finish. Okay.
Okay, sir.